So if you're considering a NorthStar, I think it's a 31 gallon. Yep, 31 gallon sprayer. Here's what you need to know. I just opened the box. Now the box did look like it had been resealed. Great. That's in the box. This was in the box. The two wheels that stink worse than Harbor Freight crap, and the pump was in that box. So I see this, it says attention, the parts are in there. So I take this off, and this junk is just chucked in there. It must have been in this bag at some point, and somebody didn't really bother with the whole sealing it up thing. Not sure what that's supposed to do. So there's an assortment of like things, pieces, and you go, okay, cool. There's got to be some kind of instruction, something to just, give you a hint. The temptation is usually to work off the picture, but it would be nice if there was just something, something to get me going. The only thing that's there is Greg Reeves, the director of design engineering, has included a European Declaration of Conformity. So there's that. But this is the only piece of paper in there. There is nothing else in there. So if you happen to work at the factory, I'm assuming these are quality control stickers. Yeah, go kick that guy in the ass. Nada. Time to get on Google.